Struggling to explain complex ideas in emails? Learn how to attach a whiteboard drawing in Zoho Mail in under 3 minutes. First, I'll show you how to start a new email and access the whiteboard tool. Then, we'll draw a quick example and insert it. Start by clicking New Mail to compose a fresh email. You can select a drawing tool. For this video, we'll go with the pencil. Go ahead and click the pencil icon. If you'd like, choose a color from the palette. Click the color you prefer. Now click on the whiteboard area to begin. Start drawing. First, let's write the letter B as part of Bobby AI. Next, the letter O. Then, the letter B. Continue with another letter B. After that, the letter Y. Keep going. Now the letter A. Continue writing. Next, the letter I. Finally, the letter I. There we go. Continue writing. Finally, the letter I. Once you're done, click Insert to attach the whiteboard to your email. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.